Good evening. I'm going to tie a silver Humungus. This is the first time I've been tying for a long time, and the first time I've done a video in a long time. So on the hook itself is a Partridge Wet Supreme size 10. I'll just put on a bed of thread first. Don't have to go too far down. Then I have my eyes, which is just chain from the sink. Go into your local hardware place and you will find them in wee packets. And they'll do loads of patterns for you. So starting off with figure of 8, both underneath and that. I'm going to get myself some glue, a wee little dab on it of glue there, top and bottom. Don't have to do too much. By the time I'll have this fly done, this will have already set. So put that back in. Right. So with Humungus and with the eyes, with the way the eyes are there now, it would invert, so the hook would be up, facing up. If you want to do it that way, well and good. But I'm going to put my eyes underneath the shank, so my fly will always move in the same direction. Bring thread the whole way down, and I am using the flash for underneath the tail, and it is a Semperflash Baitfish white. So I always have a little cut up here, so you can just tease out your materials. Like so. Put that away. And just double your materials. Like so roughly where you want them. Pinch your materials and then just carry out a loop, and as you can see, it just brings them down on the top of the shank and bring it up. Bring your thread up along the hook shank. Perfectly, always keep kind of a low or kind of a soft wrap at first. That if you have a tight wrap, the material will actually fall around the shank. Bring these, dumb them back, and then tighten in. So, and whatever your length of your tail you want to be, just cut these and stagger them as well. Don't have them all together at the same length. Just stagger them a wee little bit, and you kind of give a good effect in on the water. So next up is my tail. It's marabou. So get them like so and pull them out like this. And cut your stem like so. Get your stem like that, and double everything back. Yeah. And then just cut your stem off like so. Yeah. So so measure the amount you want tied on the top of the shank, because you want a smooth body like that. Pinch and loop again, light wrap first, and then just tighten in like that, and then bring it back to the start again, right? And whatever length you want your tail at, catch it like so with your nail, just pinch it off. Right, next up is silver wire from Semperfli. This is a 0.2mm, again along the full length of the shank. Light wraps at first and then tighten in on the way down. And why I am tying the full length of the body is so I can get a smooth body. Right, this is Holographic chenille silver 3mm from Semperfli as well, as you can see. I will have a full list of materials I used in the description of this video as well. So you can see I can tease out the materials and it just left me the white cord. Light wrap at first and then tighten down as you go along the shank of the hook towards the bead eyes. Right. Try and tease these materials backwards as you're doubling. It's like doubling hackle basically. So one full turn at the start and just take your time, use your fingers, stroke those fibres back. So none of that white cord is actually shown. That's the reason why you do it. A bit finicky at first, but this is a really good pattern for early season mainly. I mean, you're going into the start of March, April, when the colder months. You'll have a lot of fish. They're very, very slow moving. So you're basically using DI3s, DI5 lines. Tightening all that. Right. So a hackle, I'm using a black badger, like so. You can use anything at all. Black, white, grizzle, whatever. Again, light wrap it first, and tighten in. And I need 4 wraps, 1 in front and 3 palmered down. And the way to judge them is go by quarters. So this is your first quarter, this is half a mark, second 3/4 down, and then your final turn is at the end. Again, wire. Every turn of the rib, you're locking in each turn of the hackle. Stroke that back. Hold it like so at 90 degrees. And helicopter effect. You can see that. I'm probably blocking everything out like that. And just give 2-3 wraps then. Tighten all in. For cutting off the waste material, just use a scissors. You know, you can rip it off, but you're actually causing more weakness in this. So bring in like so, and we'll finish. I will put a bit of varnish on it first. Turn like so, and then we finish. So what I want to do is I have to cover this thread, so I will use a silver ice dubbing from Semperfli. It's just a small bit, and this needs it's too much. Like so. Dub it on very, very lightly. Bring it up, and what it'll do now, it'll give us 1 turn, and then I will finish it. Like so. I just keep them loose, and they will add more flash to the fly. Thanks for watching. Do stay tuned. This will be a series of flies coming right through the year. So fishing tactics, it's basically March, start of April, and you're chasing browns and rainbows, and also river trout. So your tactics will be a DI3 mainly, with a minky behind this, and you're pulling very, very slow. Thanks for watching. Do join me again. Good night.